Alright, what's up, Pigeon World? What's up, mga kalapatids? Here it is. It's time to let these birds out for a quick loft flight. So this is my my team for the old bird race. It's coming March. There you go. Excuse me, guys. Alright. Alright, so pretty much all over the place. Try to group in a little bit. There you go. It's done. Those are the birds. Rest are in. The rest, I think there's 4 more or 5 more still out. Oh, there they are. They dropped already. There. It's coming in. There you go. Everyone's in. Oh, except for this one right here. Boy. Good job. Alright, Pigeon World. So that's the team right now for the old bird race this coming March. Right there. So let me introduce you to these guys. 3 of these birds were from last year, and then 2 of these birds were from 2 years ago. Those birds were like my 350 birds. But here they are. And then the rest are new birds. The rest are young birds still. But so this is the team right here, guys. That's it so far. All right, Pigeon World. Here they are.